Hey everybody, this is the new Chase Sapphire Reserve design. So my card, I've actually had the card since 2016 for 10 years now, back when they had the 100,000 point bonus. So I finally got the newer design because of expiration. So I didn't get the nice fancy box that everyone's been getting, but it did come shipped. I had requested them shipped overnight, so they did ship it in this pretty nice blue envelope with the gold lettering, but again, not the nice fancy box that people are usually seeing online. So the new design, quick thoughts. I actually kind of like it. When I first saw it online, I didn't know I was gonna like the design, but this one kind of has a weird, interesting texture, kind of like a spider web, kind of leathery texture. Again, it kind of looks weird, but when you feel it up close, it actually kind of feels interesting, very, very nice. And it also has like an etched lettering for the Sapphire Reserve letter and logo, a Chase logo. And so it does have like a metally, shiny look to it. On the back, it's kind of plain. It does have your information, which of course I covered up, and the Visa Infinite logo and the magnetic strip at the top. So kind of plain on the back. But the new front design, kind of like it. They actually don't have your name on the front anymore. But overall, very interesting. This one definitely, like, you can feel the texture, so it's kind of cool. But overall, this design feels a lot more premium than in the past, largely because the metal insert is a lot thicker than the past, so it's actually heavier, and it has a more satisfying clunk when you drop it, right? So notice how it sounds a lot more metal. If you do have the previous generation, it feels more plasticky. The sound feels more plasticky because, of course, there's a thinner metal core, and the outer parts are plastic. So let's do it again. Oop. That one wasn't really good. Let's try it again. So yeah, I mean, it definitely has more of a clank to it, and it feels and sounds more premium than in the past. So overall, I really like this design. Surprisingly, like the design more than I thought it would. And yeah, this is a new Chase Sapphire Reserve. I'm not gonna go over the benefits and points multipliers because you can search for that online. Just want to do a quick unboxing video of the newer design that I have. And yeah, it's been great to be a member for 10 years, and I can't wait to use this card and share my journey with everybody. So thanks for watching.